It's Nick Van. Welcome back to HighFoot Review. Today we are unboxing and review the AO Jordan 3 Retro Craft Ivory. Stay with us to check out all the detail of this sneaker. And this video is sponsored by nkShoes.net, a great website for high quality replica sneakers. They offer most popular brands like Nike, Off-White, Gucci, and most of the Air Jordans. Plus, so many discount codes are waiting for you. The website link in the description box. Go and check it out, and let's start the unboxing with some great music.